Why should I use BONOSS Hubcentric wheel spacers?
Land Rover Defender wheel spacers can create a firm and stable wheel connection. It is this compact point that bears the weight of the vehicle. The wheel locks are designed to secure the wheels with a clamping force when the vehicle is cornering. They are not strong enough to support the weight and loads generated through the wheel. You will eventually need Land Rover Defender wheel spacers with integrated Hubcentric rings to ensure safety. To further optimize a Hubcentric connection, BONOSS Forge Active Cooling Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are designed with built-in multi-stage Hubcentric leaves. They are designed to fit the actual vehicle hub shapes. The Hubcentric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers feed the corresponding hub flat, which eliminates any possible gaps. Such BONOSS multi-stage Hubcentric wheel spacers will not change the original wheel fastening method. The wheels are wheel balanced so that there will be less chance of vibration.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.